This is where the belt tensioner is located on a 2009 Nissan Rogue, the 2.5 liter. If you come in from the passenger side here and you look down past your alternator, I have a box socket on it right now. You can see it on there, on that pulley. So if you come down to your wheel well, and then you come in here, and then I got the 14 millimeter box thing on there. So on here, you're gonna wanna go clockwise to turn it, to loosen it. So if you see that, I'm turning it, get it on there, and then I'm turning it clockwise. You see it move, and then it loosens up the belt there. So then to tighten it, you just let it go, and it'll go back counterclockwise to tighten it. So it's down there, and it's a 14 millimeter. And the box one works good to get your angle in there, and then it goes on top of your crank. That is the tensioner.